What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we will explore a simple yet effective strategy, enhance your winning chances in Pokemon trading card game matches. Whether you're a newcomer or a seasoned player, this trick can help you make smarter decisions during your matches. So let's get started. First, make sure that your card has a high HP, especially if it's a legendary like Zapdos, Moltres, Articuno, Mewtwo, or any Pokemon that you can select when you start the game. If you are a beginner, just focus on how the game mechanics work because a high HP Pokemon card is useless without knowledge of how Pokemon TCG card works. As you can see in the video, my opponent starts the game and uses Mewtwo at the start of the game. But it does not mean that having a high HP Pokemon does not mean you have a high chance of winning. Make sure that you know your deck and learn to reserve. As you can see in my video, I reserve my Onix for the next turn when my Pokemon is defeated. There are some Pokemon cards that have special effects, like Pokeball, where you can draw another basic Pokemon. Or in short, get good at Pokemon TCG. It's okay when you lose in Pokemon TCG because you can learn more while you play this game, so you don't have to worry when your Pokemon cards are not good ones, because sometimes it's not all about having a good deck. It's all about technique on how to become better in Pokemon TCG. And by understanding your deck, managing resources effectively, anticipating your opponent's moves, and optimizing your play area, you can significantly improve your chances of winning in Pokemon TCG. Remember, practice makes perfect. Continually refine your strategy and adapt to different scenarios to become a more formidable player. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.